Alright guys, here we go. We're going to do a quick Otter performance. The keen eye will notice we have the high voltage Hobby King BOLTX battery in there. So she's going to have some extra horsepower today. Alright, she's ready to go. Let's go have some fun. Alright guys, here we go. We're going to go right into the wind because we got extra horsepower in it.
STOL.
Yeah.
Holy.
She's a happy airplane. Can't wait to fly this one on floats, guys. It's going to be so good. GBLyndens RC just made in his today, so make sure you check that out when that comes live. Prop slip killer. Good lights. Speaking of GBLynden, we're going to test his tracking abilities today. Look at those lights. It looks so good.
The light kit is phenomenal on this plane. Beautiful, nice flying plane.
And it's fast. We'll slow her down here. The big barn doors out. Look at that. Just loafing. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit though. Should make things fun. At least it's in her face. Get her to just hang there a little bit.
That's so cool.
And then when you're done, you just do that.
It's amazing how light of a pack that can power this thing like that.
Super fun airplane, guys. Okay, we'll come around for a landing. A little stick bang in there.
Full flaps.
Whoop, bounced it. We'll do a little better than that. Okay, let's go back to the bench and check that battery. Alright guys, back on the bench. Let's test that high voltage battery and see how we did. Let's go ahead and pop it out. You can see where we're at. Very happy with the performance of the battery and the airplane. Links down below, guys, for everything. So I'll plug it into my tester. With a 4-minute flight, got 65% left. Crazy. So there you go. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out the links down below if you're interested in anything. For GBLyndens RC, John BHRC, out.